Hey, hi friends. In this video, we'll going to know that how much it will cost for installing this type of PVC wall panels. Second, which are the points to remember and where we can install these PVC panels. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. There are the most beautiful benefits of the PVC wall panels, like it is waterproof and moisture resistant. It is very lightweight and easy to install, and even it is very low in maintenance. You can just wipe clean. It is affordable compared to tiles, and you will get lots of varieties of designs like wood. There you can see there are the beautiful designs are available. So friends, now we're going to know that how much it will cost for installing this type of PVC panels. So to understand that how much it will cost, so let me take some example. Like our wall size is like 10 by 15. That means our total wall size is 150 square feet, and one PVC panel covers is almost 8.3 square feet, and the price of each panel is 380 rupees to 400 rupees per piece, which I'm talking is a super heavy PVC panel. So to cover the 150 square feet wall, we require total number of PVC panels is 19 PVC panels, because each panel covers is 8.3 square feet. So we require 19 panels, and one panel price is almost 400 rupees if we take super heavy PVC panel. So we will multiply this 19 into 400. So the total comes is 7600. This is for only the PVC panels price. Now we will add another materials which is required. And another material which is required is the corner beading. So the corner beading price is almost 1100 rupees. So add this 1100 rupees extra. Another material which is required is the adhesive. So we will add another price is 250 rupees for adhesive. And another charges which will be applicable is the transport charges. So this is for almost 1000 rupees. So we will add 1000 rupees. And another price is which is the labor rate for installing the PVC wall panels. So the total price for installing each panel will be starts from 110 rupees to 130 rupees. So let me assume that take it 120 rupees per panel. So the total number of panels are 19. So we will multiply this 19 into 120. 7600 rupees for PVC panels, 1100 rupees for the corner beading, and 250 rupees is the adhesive, 1000 rupees for transport charges, and the labor charges will be 2280. So the total price comes is 12,230 rupees. So for installing 150 square feet area, the PVC panels price is 12,230. So we'll divide this as per square feet rate. So the price comes is 82 rupees per square feet for installing the PVC wall panels, which includes labor rate, PVC wall panel materials, everything which is included. So this is the way you can calculate your PVC panels price. So per square feet it will cost almost 82 rupees. So you can calculate for 100 square feet wall it will cost you almost 8000 to 8500 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate, which is simple trick. Friends, before installing you should remember important points like ensure the wall is clean, dry and free from rust, grease or mold. Repair any cracks, holes or uneven surface before installation. And for better adhesion, apply a primer or install battens for a frame installations. PVC panels are moisture resistant, but ensure proper sealing in high humidity areas. Take the proper measurement, like measure the wall accurately and add 10% extra materials for a wastage. So use a fine tooth saw or PVC cutter for clean cuts. Always leave a small gaps at the edges to allow for thermal expansion. Cover gaps with trim moldings for a neat finish. Adhesive or framing method. So high quality PVC panel adhesive for a strong bond. Framing method install. Fix panels tightly but avoid over tightening the screws. Finishes touches install corner trims and moldings for a polished look. Ventilation and maintenance. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent condensation behind panels. So by following these steps, your PVC wall panel installation will be durable, waterproof and aesthetically pleasing. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. And you can use these PVC panels anywhere like living room, bedrooms, even you can use this in bathrooms or for commercial space, basements, even balconies, because it is withstand weather exposure, prevent dampness on walls. It is resistant to humidity and temperature changes, so prevent moisture damages on walls. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, then please like and share our videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.